Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge data from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. This is very handy. Imagine this Word document being a very large form with a lot of repetitive information in it. For example, someone's name and address over and over again, or items like that repeatedly throughout that document. Or imagine having that information in an Excel spreadsheet and wanting to use it over and over and over again in a lot of different pieces of printed material. This would be a very quick and easy way to do that. So the very first thing we're going to do is attach our Excel spreadsheet to our Word document. And the way we do that, we go to Mailings, the Mailings tab in Microsoft Word, click on that, and then Start Mail Merge, click on that, and then select Letter. Once you've done that, you got to select where you want the data to come from to fill in this Microsoft Word document. So you select Recipients and say Use Existing List. Now what they've done here is they've made all this very mail merge centric. That's the terminology they use. So people don't really associate this with being able to fill in information in Word from Excel spreadsheets, which is really what this does. So I think the mail merge terminology is a little misleading. So I'm going to look for my Excel spreadsheet. I know I have it over here in my Documents folder. And if I wanted to help myself further down here, I could see instead of all data sources, I know it's an Excel file, so I'll click that. And now you can see it's got nothing but my Excel file listed here. So I select that and I click Open. And it knows that there's 3 worksheets in my Excel file, and it's asking me which one I want to use. And I know my information's in the first worksheet, so I'll leave that selected and click OK. And now it's ready for me to start selecting data from my Excel spreadsheet. So in my sample form here, I am going to insert fields from my Excel spreadsheet. So sample document 4, and right there I'm going to insert, oh, I apologize, I clicked on the wrong icon there. I want to insert a field from Excel. So I'm going to click Insert Merge Field, and all of a sudden here's all my information from my Excel spreadsheet. So my form's going to say Sample Document 4, and I'm going to get the date and insert it. Now you may have to go back and fix spacing. So for example, I need a space right here in front of my date, and I don't need one here at the end of it. So I'm gonna say the person name lives at, so I need to go get the name. I did that. I closed it so you can see it went and got a name, lives at. Now I want to put the address immediately after that. Insert merge field, address, insert. Now I have the address there, and I want to say what city that's in. So I'm going to say the city here, and I can say right here, I'm going to say that city is in, and I'm going to go get the state. And you can reach this person, so I'm going to go get their name again. Oops, I put it in the wrong place. No problem, I just back up. You can reach the person's name at, and I'm going to put in their phone number. And that's it. So now what I've done is I've created a document that's pulling data from Microsoft Excel. And if I go up here and click on Preview Results, it's going to go all the way it's going to flip on or off whether I'm looking at the actual data from Excel or if I'm looking at the field names from Excel. So here you can see I'm looking at the actual data, and then as I use these record buttons, you can see down here the data is going to change because it's going through all the records in Microsoft Excel. And that shows you real simply how you can pull data in from Excel into Word. You can see here the city has to be repeated twice, so now I don't have to type the same thing twice, and it'll pull in those pieces of information over and over again as many times as you want. And once you have this in here, you can simply scroll through and select the one you want and treat it like any normal Word document. Print it, turn it into a PDF, email it to somebody, save it, whatever you would like. And so that's how you would use a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet to quickly insert data into a Word form.